Hi, I'm John. Welcome to Disney News Jam. And now it's time to take you over to Maria for your weekly Disney Cruise Line tip.
Hello everyone and welcome back to this week's Disney Cruise Line tip, packing for your Disney Cruise Line vacation. Packing for your cruise line vacation or any vacation can be daunting if you don't know where to start. We've selected top 10 items to pack for your Disney cruise. Swimsuits. We'd recommend to pack at least 2 to change over while the other one is drying, so that you don't have to miss out on a splashing good time. Sunglasses. Not only will they provide your eyes protection from the sun, you'll also look cool and stylish too. The sun might also be glaring bright, reflecting its rays from the ocean, and having to look out at sea and not having to squint your eyes is a bonus. Sun hats. Never say no to extra protection from the hot sun. A headache can really bring your vacation fun to a halt. Not to mention another excuse to flaunt your stylish look. Sunblock. Pack a high SPF waterproof sunscreen. This one's important as the sun can really burn your skin. And if you've been sunburned before, you know how much of a pain it is to heal, let alone ruin your time in the sun for the rest of your vacation. Windbreaker jacket, spirit jersey, or other type of layering pieces. During the day, it might get hot enough to think, why did you even bother packing a jacket? But at nightfall, you'll understand why you did. It sure does get cooler and windier at night being out at sea. And if you want to take a night stroll on the deck and stop to watch the ocean, you'll be glad that you've got your layers. Medications. Extremely important you take all your prescription medications with you and be sure that they're packed in their original packaging. Medication on board is both limited and pricey. Passports or government ID. Be sure to pack your required travel documents, as guests without their proper documentation will be denied boarding. Cameras and corresponding accessories. If you're anything like me and love capturing every moment, be sure to pack your camera or your phone, of course. Magic will be found at every corner and you don't want to miss it. So snap away. Comfortable clothing and shoes. Since the cruise will basically be your home for the next 2 to 7 days, you'd want to be as comfortable as possible. Plus, have enough room to splurge on all the delicious food offerings. As for shoes, be prepared to do a lot of walking. Sometimes you'll be walking and not realize how much you've walked until you're finally able to take your shoes off. So make sure you bring your comfy pair for walking those long distances and also for your port adventures. Your own tumbler or drink bottle. This will come in handy when you don't need to keep grabbing a paper cup at the beverage stations. And also, refill your drink bottle to take with you to your port adventures. Have you started to pack for your vacation yet? Do you have any packing tips you'd like to share? Let us know in the comments down below. And that's it for our Disney Cruise Line tips.
And that's it for today's show. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and hit the like button. And until then, it's not goodbye, but we'll see you real soon.